Alright, I'm taking my hand off the sensor switch, the open door switch, push in the open door switch, kicks on the inducer motor. The inducer motor kicks on, runs for a bit. And now the igniter is coming on, and then the igniter is going off. It's like the igniter's coming on, but it's not engaging the rest of the burner. Now the inducer is turning on again. It's like the inducer is cycling. Let's see if the igniter comes back on. The igniter did not come back on. So it's like the inducer is cycling. The igniter did not come back on. Came on one time, did not come back on, and the burner never engaged. I've taken out the flame sensor piece up there at the top. I took that out and cleaned it off. It does not look like that flame sensor is dirty. Excessively, it did not have an excessive amount of carbon buildup, but we're just not getting everything to engage. David.